Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki. So, okay, first of all, I have to say this. My lips are red because I just filmed a Face Chart Friday video. And I had like 2 red lipsticks on my lips, and they were matte lipsticks. And this is what I'm left with, taking them off. Yeah. So there's no lipstick on my lips. You're loud. So, while I was filming that, the doorbell rang. And the guy just dropped the box on, like, I didn't even, you know. My dad opened the door, actually. But, it was a box. It was a black box. Opened the box. Saw the little, logo. Lunar Beauty. They sent me the Moon Spell collection. I got other crap in here because, you know, stuff falls off my dresser all the time. And it fell right into this box. I got, like... You're irritating. I got the eyeshadow palette and the 3 the 2 lipsticks and the 1 lip gloss. Because there's 1 gloss and there are 2 lipsticks. The gloss is called Enchantment. The lipsticks are Wicked and Witch Bitch. I just have to say this packaging is life-changing. I love this little postcard though too, by the way. But this packaging is life-changing. Like, okay, like it looked like this, right? You think it's a little box? No, it's like a book sleeve when you get a new book. That's so cool. Obviously, this looks like a book if you have not watched Manny's video. And it even has, like, the little, like, author and title. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I like products I can feel. And I can definitely feel... My phone is distracting me. I can feel it. And I like this little, like, lock thing and... It looks like pages that are gold trimmed, and I love it. Crazy part is, I just ordered this stuff. So, yeah, there's that. Did not know I would be getting this from them, because I got the Strawberry Dream stuff, like the Strawberry Dream collection, 2 highlighters from them. Didn't know I'd be getting this, but, you know, thank you, Manny and Manny Sr., because I'm so excited. That's all that's in the box. Move the box out of the way. So, loud. The aesthetic, the black and gold. It's screaming witchy vibes to me. Spooky season, all that good stuff. But I'm very, very, very intrigued by the design of it. Like, not the color part, but like the stuff he put on the... This is how I struggle with books that come in boxes. Like... The stuff that's on here is they've got the little crows. I'm assuming they're crows because, you know, spiders, snakes, skulls, the eye. It's just, and then on the back, they got like, it's everything. It's everything. It's everything. Now, I'm not going to do a swatch video because that would take too long. And yes, it looks ratchet because I was playing with it when I got it. Like, I took like a 15-minute break in between filming my Face Chart Friday just to play with this because I was too excited. So it's a little ratchet because I swatched it. I haven't put anything on my face yet. So that's what this video is. I'm going to be putting something on my face. I don't know what yet. I'm just going to, you know, see what comes out of me. I'm going to leave that right. Well, let's take this film off. I'm going to, you know. And I will say that all of my Lunar Beauty palettes, the mirror is amazing. Yes, I did, I had to take off the Face Chart Friday makeup and redo my makeup for the video because it's not a full face video. So I have to do this before I do my eyes. Duh. Which I'm starting to like before I would do my eyes and the foundation. I am starting to appreciate doing the foundation before I do my eyes. I don't know why, but I like it so much better. So shout out to all y'all that were like, you should try it, you'll love it. And I think I'm going to do some sort of witchy look because I really want to use Wicked, which is the black lipstick, because I haven't done a black I can't talk. I haven't done a black lipstick look in a long time, and I really, really want... I'm turning my phone on Do Not Disturb because for some reason, whenever I film, someone decides to call, but or text, and my phone is just ringing all through the video. But yeah, I'm gonna do some sort of, you know, witchy, spooky, Halloweeny look with a black lip. So enough talking. For this video, I'm not going to talk through the video. I'll talk at the beginning, talk at the end. I will explain throughout the video with little, text what colors I'm using. But other than that, I am not going to talk through this video. I will give my opinion about the palette at the end of the video because, yeah. Anyway, enough talking. On to the look. Okay, so I literally did everything else off camera because that's my life. Okay, so far so good. I'm actually liking these colors. Not for the lip. Told you I'm gonna use this black lipstick called Wicked. First of all, I just realized I didn't talk about the packaging of the lipsticks on the actual product. I got liner on here. But this is what they look like. Oh. My hands aren't big enough to, do what everybody else does. So the red one is Witch Bitch. I swatched them on my Instagram. So there's that. Witch Bitch. I don't want to swatch them on the back of my hand. I might as well just... Okay, fine. Because, there were so many, other people who got it already. By the way, this is just released on Friday. Today. Today is Friday. Yeah, it was released today. I got it today. But, there's a lot of swatch videos for this. Didn't want to, make it another swatch video. So this is Witch Bitch. Enchantment is just a gloss. Enchantment, which has a pink reflect to it. I love these gloss. I love the Lunar Beauty glosses, by the way. I just ordered the Dreamy gloss again because I finished mine. I finished the one they sent me. And Wicked, which is going on my lips right now. So that is the three of them. I'll show them to you when it's all dried down because they're still wet right now. But I'm going to do my lips now. I don't have a black lip liner. I should invest in one. But yeah. Now I have yet to figure out what shade I'm going to put on my lower lash line. I did take the Eddie Funkhauser liner and smudge it though. I think I'm going to go with Fiona, which is this, I don't want to blind anybody, this green shade here. I think we're going to do Fiona. When I hear Fiona, I think of two things. Shrek. And then I think of Fiona from American Horror Story. So, yeah. Alright. So, my thoughts on how this performed. Amazingly. I didn't have any problems with any of the shades that I used. And I used 1, 2, 3, 4... 5, 6, 7, 8. I used 8 of the 15 shades. So what I did first was I went in with Sarah and Winifred. I mixed them together, and that was the base. That was the top color. And then I mixed Kiki, which is this one, Fiona, and Marnie to do that's what I put on the outer corners. And then I just did Marnie and Kiki after I did the darker part. I did those two to mix those two together and brought that out. And then I took Samantha, the first shimmer shade that I used, took Samantha and put that on top of that. Then after I did Samantha, I did Prue, which is this one. And then for the brow bone, I used Hermione. I'm just making fun of the way that my Korean students say it. They can never say it. They say Hermione, and one of my students said Harmony. It was really weird, and I'm just like, okay. So, it was cute though. And yeah, they still look the same dried down. Well, I mean, they're not all the way, the gloss is not dried off, but they're not all the way dry. My lips are dry though. This is what it looks like dry. My lips are dry. I like it. I like it. I actually like this look. Where am I going looking like this? I don't know. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. But wait. I did 2 looks in one day, but I'm not gonna post this one until tomorrow. Even though I rarely post on the weekends. Like, I'll post a product on the weekend, but you know. And this is not gonna go up today. It's gonna go up tomorrow too, because I don't wanna overwhelm people with a Facial Friday video, which I edited that video before I filmed this. That video is 20 something minutes long. Totally unnecessary. So yeah, I'll upload this one because they don't tell how long this is gonna be. I'll upload this one. I need to straighten my hair. I'll upload this one Saturday, tomorrow. You know? Don't upload on Saturdays either, but here we are. Okay, I really like this look. I'll like it even better once I take the scarf off my head. But yeah. The performance of this palette and the 8 shades that I used, I like it. I mean, it's pretty sure it's the same formula as the Strawberry Dream palette, and I love that palette. So of course I was gonna love this one. The colors are amazing. I love the color story. I should have used Sabrina. That's a very pretty purple. Maybe next time I'll do another look and use Sabrina. But I'm so excited for this palette. I'm so excited to use this palette and create Halloween looks with this palette, because I just got sent a face chart at like 2 o'clock in the morning. And it's a Halloween chart from Gold Beauty Makeup, which I've done a lot of her charts on my channel. So I'm gonna be doing that look using this palette because the colors in here are in that look. Yay. That is it for this. Any questions, comments, concerns, any other colors you would like to see me use, leave it in the comments. If you want to see me use one of these or all of them together, or something, leave it in the comments. That is it. That is all. I hope you all have a lovely weekend, and I will see you next time. Technically tomorrow, because this video is filmed on a Friday, but going to be uploaded on Saturday, so technically I'll see you tomorrow. But see you next time. Bye.